Class 3rd, chapter number 2, parts of a plant. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed parts of a plant and their function. Student, in this lecture we will discuss flow chart of parts of a plant. So what are the parts of plant? Yes student, roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. So these are the 5 main parts of a plant. Student, if we talk about roots, so now you know roots of a plant grow, yes student, underground. Roots of a plant grow underground. They spread in different direction in search of water. Everybody know now? Where is it found? Yes student, it is present below the ground, and they spread in different direction in search of water. There are the many function of the roots, and there is a diagram also, na? There is a two types of the root, tap root and fibrous root. You can see this is the tap root and this is the fibrous root. So what is the structure of the tap root? So there is a long thick root. You can see there is a long thick root that grows from the bottom of the stem, and many small roots are present. You can see many small roots grow from this main root. Okay student, so this is the tap root. In tap root there is a long thick root that grows from the bottom of the stem, and many small roots grow from this main root. You can take example of the carrot, radish, beans. They have the tap root. Okay student, now there is a fibrous root also. This is the fibrous root. This is the fibrous root. A fibrous root, it is a bunch of the small thin roots that grows from the base of the stem. There is a no main root. There is only a bunch of small thin root. You can see there is a fibers like structure. There is no main root. There is a bunch of small thin roots that grow from the base of the stem. And if we talk about the example of the fibrous root, wheat, cereals, wheat, grass, paddy have the fibrous root. Grasses also have the fibrous root. So how many types of the roots? Two types of the roots, tap root and fibrous root. Now student, what are the function of the roots? Yes student, function of the roots. First, they absorb water from the soil. First function, they absorb water from the soil, and they fix the plant into the soil. And what are the other function of the roots? They hold the plant upright, or you can say that they hold the plant straight. And you know student, in some plant they store food that are eaten by us, and so because they are eaten by us, they are the edible root. What are the edible roots that are eaten by roots? Some parts plant roots of the plant, they store food and that are eaten by us. For example, yes student, radish, carrot, and yes na, beans, they are the roots and that are eaten by us. Okay student, now next part of a plant is stem. You can see this diagram. This is the sugarcane diagram. I think this is the stem student. So what is the function of the stem? Student, stem transport water from the roots to the leaves. What is the first function? First of all, this stem transport the water from the roots to the leaves, and it also carry food prepared by the leaves to different parts of the plant. There's a two function. If we talk about roots only absorb the water and mineral from the soil, and what is the function of the stem? It transport the water from the roots to the leaves, and you know leaves are the kitchen of the plants, and they prepare food the plant, and so this food is transported by the stem to the different parts of the plant. Listen carefully. Okay, I hope you understand. So you can say that what is the function of the stem? They transport water and food, and you know it holds the plant upright. It holds the plant upright. This is the stem. Stem. First function, transport water and food, hold the plant upright, bear branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. They also store food. These are modified stem and that are eaten by us. Some parts of the plant, some stem of the plant also store food. Okay, and that are eaten by us. So you can take example of the potato, also ginger also. They are the modified stem. And this also sugar cane. We eat the stem of the sugar cane. So I hope you understand the function of the stem. Now student, we will discuss the leaves. You can see these are the different shape of the leaves. Okay students, so first you read this also, four functions also, an example. What is the difference between the roots and stem, and write the function of each roots and stem. Okay students, and in next lecture we will discuss the leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay students, take care. Bye.